you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah.
I'm pretty sure there'll be a few people saying hallelujah to me finishing that performance. This was the first time that I've attempted to play left-handed in about 2 years. For those of you who don't know, I'm Nitsuj. I am Justin's left-handed guitar twin, and I first got on the scene to help Justin when he was rewriting his beginner's course. I went through every single one of the lessons before they were released to make sure that they were working right and that they were actually possible, and giving Justin a bit of a heads up on what other things he might add into the course to help make it better. Of course, since then, actually this whole Justin Guitar app thing has been revamped. It looks really cool. So much more fun to play along with the backing tracks now. They sound really incredible. And I've been called back off the bench to help out with some of the grade 3 stuff that Justin's struggling with, the getting the arrangement right. So he's asked me to come in and learn some of that stuff. But man, I need a crash course on this. Like you can hear, it's pretty rough. My guitar playing was going pretty good. I could play along with a bunch of songs before, but a couple of year hiatus, it's paying its price. So what I thought I'd do, just for a bit of fun, was invite you guys to challenge me to learn a song. So all you have to do is download the Justin Guitar Lessons and Songs app. If you don't have it already, there's a 7-day free trial, so you can get that. If you've got it already, you're going to find a little pop-up appearing on your screen. It will only pop up once. So if you see it, grab it while it's got there, otherwise you won't be able to enter the competition. When that pops up, it's going to invite you to challenge me with a particular song. There's a range of songs on there from relatively easy to they're going to be really difficult. You vote on those songs, and you've got until April the 25th noon EDT to vote on the songs. Once I've got the results, I've got 3 days then to learn that song and post a full video performance of me playing along with that song. It's going to be quite a laugh. Now, to thank you for participating in this little challenge, you can win some really awesome Boss Katana headphones worth over $400. They're really, really cool. I don't actually own a pair. I've tried them out a bunch of times. Really, really cool. I'm lucky enough to kind of live in a recording studio, so I don't need them. But for home practice and being able to play with like a great guitar sound in your ears all the time, little radio thing that plugs in as well, super, super cool prize. All you have to do to enter, literally, I'll remind you again, if you've got my app already or you're a subscriber already, it doesn't matter, this pop-up is going to appear. It's open for people who do subscribe and new subscribers. If you don't have my app, you just download the app. You've got a 7-day free trial to check out the app anyway. It's full of awesome guitar karaoke stuff. You definitely want to be checking that out. It's so much fun. It's designed for beginners, but it's great for more advanced guitar players as well that want to work on their rhythm and playing along with full songs, that kind of stuff. All good for lots of levels, that sort of practice. So you open the app, get that little pop-up will happen, vote on a song, and then sit back and wait for me to embarrass myself on the 28th with whatever the winning entry was. I really hope you'll join me for this little challenge. It's loads of fun. Hope you're having a fantastic time on your guitar journey, and I'll see you for plenty more lessons and songs very soon. You'll take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.